everyone. I'm Mariam, barely surviving.
And I'm Shahwiz, emotionally damaged.
And this is our mock exam confession. The paper started. I looked at it. My soul left my body.
I read the first question. I was like, huh? I learned more things from the paper than I knew before. The ground left my feet.
The paper looked at me, and I looked back at it. We both were confused.
I flipped mine upside down. Well, turns out it wasn't. My life was. I wrote an answer, I wrote an answer with beautiful handwriting and full confidence.
Let me guess, it was wrong.
Logically impossible. How do you get -0?
I just wrote what felt right.
What felt right?
Yep. If teacher equals happy, then marks equals 100.
The syntax is wrong. This is error. Everything is error. Whoever said this exam is gonna be easy and whoever made the paper, I just want to talk to you for once.
With a keyboard, we both know you can't do it face to face.
I learned everything before the paper, except why she came on the paper.
I didn't study at all and still expected a miracle. That's on me. My tip for studying is that do not study the night before the exam. Do not open your book the night before the exam. Instead, focus on sleeping.
My tip for you is practice your logic because if you don't, it will betray you mid-paper.
Top Panic Student Award goes to...
Me. I wrote my name and started thinking about my life, just like, what am I doing here now?
Worst answer also goes to...
Me. Well, I believe I'm consistent.
Consistently incorrect.
Yep. Well, that's it. We're gonna go study.
No, we're not.
Bye.
Bye-bye.